Welcome to Beauty in Bloom. My name's Tanya. If this is your first time here, welcome. If not, welcome back, friends. Today we're doing this fox eye trend look that's been going around the internet. And if you want to see what products I used and how I achieved this look, then please stay tuned. You already know I'm going in with my YSL All-in-One Glow Tinted Moisturizer. I just want to put on a little bit of makeup today, honestly. But we'll see how that goes. Sorry, I'm going in with Tarte Shape Tape and Light Sand. I forgot to hit record. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with MAC Guip Maison. Get this hair popping. Get this hair popping. Now I'm going to go in with Hoola by Benefit. Okay, for blush, I'm going to go in with MAC Sunbask. Sunbask? Can I talk? And then I'm going to use a little bit of this Emphasize under my eyes. Just very little. For highlight, I'm going in the Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerrero palette, and I'm going to use Glow Getter and 143 together. Okay, so today we're doing the fox eye trend that is going around YouTube. It's, I guess, modeled after Gigi Hadid or whatever, so lots of people are doing it. So it's gonna look like this, and I did this off camera just to try it and see what I wanted to do today, and I was like, well, we might as well do this, why not? So we're gonna start on this eye. So basically what you want to do is line your eye up the tip of your nose to where it goes up, and then I just put a light, you know, just to give me some direction, and it will help you out. So that's what we're doing. It's supposed to be like a lifted look, so we'll see how it goes. Alright, so I'm going to start in the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette, and I'm going to use Burnt Orange and then Rustic. but burnt orange first. And what you're gonna do is just flick the color out from your from the corner right here. Just flick it out. Follow that line. Okay, so back to it. Okay. And I know I have a lot of wrinkles and shit in my in my eyes because my eyes are so big. All this skin. I would love to get rid of that. Anyway, so that's what we're doing. Just continue doing that with those colors. Or whatever color you want to use. Most of the people doing it used browns, but you know, you can incorporate any color you want with this lip. And then, I should have done my eyes first. Okay, and then I'm going to line just this outer part of my eye. Ooh. So I'm gonna line my eye, but I'm keeping it a little thicker and darker over here on the outer part here. And then I'm just gonna smoke that out with a small brush like this. To drop it. Okay, and now I'm just gonna take my liner and then smoke it out. Does it give me a lifted look? And now I'm gonna go back into the Soft Glam and get a little bit of rustic and burnt orange and just go over the top. Okay, I'm gonna darken that up. And I'm just using Teddy by MAC to do this because it blends really like easily. Okay, we're gonna keep building that color up. Okay, I'm gonna pick up a little more of the burnt orange from the Soft Glam palette and just go over the top. Okay, so now I'm going in Modern Renaissance and I'm taking Primavera and just putting that on the front part of my lid. Okay, now moving on to mascara. Wet n Wild Mega Length on my lower lashes, and I'm just gonna mainly put more of this on my outer part here because I don't want it to be a rounded look. I mean, I'm still gonna coat them, but not a lot. And for my upper lashes, I'm going in with Armani Eyes to Kill. Hey, Ben. Alright, I'm putting a little bit of this white from the Nicole Guerrero palette, and then I'm gonna go over that with this Glow Getter. Okay, and for my lip today, I'm going in with Huda Beauty Spice Girl for my liner, of course. as always. And for my lip today, I'm going in with Uncuffed by Fenty. I might go over this with another color. Maybe my nude color. I just wanted it more nude. I don't know. Okay, so this is the finished look. Hopefully you like it. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done so. And have a great week. And hopefully I'll see you next time.